How to change your Netflix language. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can change your language on Netflix. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to change your language on Netflix, what you need to do is to first of all go ahead and open the Netflix application, and then you'll be taken to the default profile choosing page. And on this page, what you need to do is you need to tap on the edit button, which is at the very top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the edit button, you'll find the option called all of your profiles. So first of all, select the profile on which you want to change the language. So let's say this is the profile, or let's say any other profile. After you go ahead and select that profile, you'll find the option called display language. Just tap on the display language option, and currently it is set to English. You can change this to any other language and then just leave it at that, because it is going to save the changes automatically. You can also go ahead and change your audio and subtitle language. So aside from your web page and your app interface language, you can also change the default audio. So if the show you're watching has dual audio and subtitles, by default it is going to be set to the one that you have chose over here. And that's all it takes to change your Netflix language. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.